Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to use watch lists on TradingView. By the end of this video, you'll know how to create custom watch lists, organize your favorite symbols, and set up alerts, all within TradingView's super powerful watch list panel. This isn't just about adding a couple of stocks to a list. You'll be able to confidently track the markets that matter most to you, stay organized, and never miss an important move. Alright, let's jump right in. First things first, take a look at the top right corner of your TradingView screen. That's where the watchlist panel lives. Give it a click. This is essentially your trading control center. It's where you'll collect all the symbols you want to keep an eye on. Now to actually start building your watchlist, look for the plus button, usually right at the top of this panel. Go ahead and click that. Now you can type in any symbol that you're interested in: stocks, crypto, forex pairs, whatever you trade. Let's say you're interested in Apple, just type in AAPL, select it from the list, and watch as it pops right into your watch list. That's it, you can keep adding as many symbols as you like. This is perfect for grouping together the assets you're researching or actively trading, so you don't have to search for them each time. Now let's make things even more organized. Sometimes one long list just isn't enough, so TradingView lets you add sections. For this, head to the name of your current list at the top and you'll notice a little drop-down arrow. Click that and you'll see a bunch of options like Add Alert, Make a Copy, Rename, and so on. What we want is Add Section. Click this and you'll see a new section appear in your watch list. You can call this section whatever makes sense for you, maybe tech stocks, swing trades, or even high volatility. You can add as many sections as you want, and as you do, you'll quickly see how neat and tidy your lists can look. But here's the really cool part. Once you've got multiple sections, you can actually drag and drop any symbol from your watch list into any section you like. So if you decide that Apple makes more sense in your big tech section instead of watch closely, simply click, drag, and drop it right where you want it. This makes organizing everything a breeze, and if your strategies or your interests change, it's super easy to adjust. Let's talk about some of the other useful options in that drop-down menu. Besides making a copy and renaming your list, you can clear your list entirely, create a brand new watch list, or even import a list if you've saved your favorite symbols elsewhere. And if you ever want to flip between multiple watch lists, for example, one for stocks and another for crypto, you'll see all the different lists you've created right here in the menu. Now say you want to make sure you never miss a price movement. Go back to the dropdown and click Add Alert. This lets you set up an alert for anything in your watch list, so when a symbol reaches a certain price, you'll get a notification. Maybe you're waiting for Bitcoin to hit a key level, or you want to know if a stock swings wildly during the day. Setting an alert will help you stay on top of things without staring at the screen all day. Finally, if you click on any symbol in your watch list, you'll get a panel that shows some advanced information about that asset. You'll see price data, key statistics, performance over time, even things like seasonality and technical indicators. This is incredibly useful for making quick decisions or just staying better informed, all without losing your place in your watch list. So there you have it. With these tips, you'll keep your TradingView workspace efficient, personalized, and ready for action. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you have questions or want to share how you use watch lists, leave a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching and happy trading.